Welcome to 804 McLaury Cove, please come in and take a tour. The welcoming front porch greets the visitors and guides them to the front door. Step inside and be immediately impressed with the impeccably maintained interior. Foyer displays a soaring ceiling and LVP flooring that stretches throughout the main living areas. Abundant natural light pours into the formal living room through twin full-length windows. This room could easily pull double duty as a study or office with French doors granting audio privacy. Full-length windows bathe the dining area in natural light, which transitions into the cook's delight kitchen. This view emphasizes the up-to-date open floor plan. The truly Texas-sized center island grants additional workspace plus ample seating for snacking or casual family meals. Close-up view of the exotic granite. Kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and a walk-in pantry. View from the kitchen towards the living room, atrium door accesses the covered patio and backyard. Light-filled living room offers plenty of wall space for furniture placement versatility. Guest powder room is discreetly tucked into the hallway leading to the garage. Primary bedroom is situated on the first floor and features plush carpeting, lighted ceiling fan, and generous proportions. Primary bath boasts large, granite-topped vanity with dual sinks. Deep soaking tub, topped with a window illuminating the room, delivers spa-like relaxation while the glass-enclosed shower stall is perfect when one is in a hurry to start the day. Wrought iron banister dresses the staircase ascending to the upper level. Upper level landing delivers a bird's eye view of the foyer below and connects the secondary bedrooms with the media room and loft. Expansive loft offers flexible usage as game room, den, or children's play area. View of the loft from the opposite side of the room. View towards the staircase. This mini loft area lends itself perfectly to be a compact office or craft area.